Welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddles. Today, we're taking the Can-Am out. But I gotta show y'all what we've been working on all morning. I was hoping to get this video done early in the day. It's already 2 o'clock because we've been swamped. But let's go ahead and show you just what we've got done today. We got the old Rancher we just bought all jacked up. I got all the parts. I think I fixed it. The problem is the bolt had stripped out in there. So we had to drill it out and then re-tap the hole. And it was just a slight bit too big because we tried to use the easy out guide before anybody says it would not come out. And so the hole was just slightly bigger, so we put some JB weld on it. Will it hold? Everybody swells by JB weld. We had the strongest stuff you can buy. It's like the 2-in-1, like 2 liquids. Everybody swells by it. So I put it in there. It was tight when I shoved it in there because it has just a little bit of threads. We're able to make it start a little bit. And hopefully it will work. But we won't know because you got to let it sit for 24 hours. So my plan to be driving this thing today, yeah, it ain't going to happen. Plus, look at that. I hate gasket material. They do not make a gasket for that piece at all. So you have to use that gasket material stuff. Do not like that stuff at all. I hate it. But what are you gonna do? Oh, we also put a winch cable finally on the Can-Am because it's been broke off since, I don't know, a very long time. I mean, we finally got the cable, we got a synthetic rope. And look at that hook. Tell me that ain't cool. It's called an Autobot hook, I think. Autobot hook. We also had to put wheel bands on the front. And this axle right here, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can. It broke off. Maybe it's at the top. You can't see it now. So that's the plan today. See if we can finish off this axle, which is a bad idea because it might take something out with it. But that's the plan today. See if we can actually take out this axle. So I guess I'll meet y'all at the house with the GoPro on. So I'll see y'all in a second. Attempt 2. Take a gear. Go, go, go. Woo! Okay. She just didn't want to make it. But the old 6x6 has to go to the shop, so we can go ahead and put this front diff in here. Hopefully, this will fix our problem. We don't know. But let's hop on the Can-Am, which is ready to go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we got everything set up. I think we're ready to go. Let's see what we got here. Let's go play in some mud. Still have no brakes. I forgot to fix that today. We went ahead and put the wheel bands in, got the new winch, so let's just full send it through here in high, because if you remember the last time we took a mud, I said I wanted to see if we could floor this thing in high, because it has clutches, so technically it should be able to do it. Whoa! Okay, here's the hard part. If you don't know what happened, I forgot to put 4-wheel drive on. Happens to the best of us. Oh, let's put it low. Oh, that is cold. Okay, let's go. Next hole. We bounced through the hole. Whoa, that's cold. But she made it. That's all that matters. Oh my gosh, my head. Oh my gosh. I just can't explain just how cold it is right now. Oh, I can't feel nothing. Well, it's gotten even deeper. Come on, baby. To go on that hole today, but everybody's gone, and my winch is not pulling us out of that one. Just sends it today. I say let's go around the other way. I like that way better. Oh man, I say guys, I'm really ready to get this thing out somewhat other than heel. It's kind of hard when everything stays broken. All my friends went to Busco the other day without me. And you know, they went when I was on vacation. I'm like, come on guys. The one day y'all go and I'm gone. Just another day hanging out. I don't know if these people get mad at me for this or not, because I do put a little mud on the road. I try not to. And I keep hitting it, and that's when I let up. Last thing I want to do is break my diff. I don't care about the dang axles, but the diff, yeah. Nowhere near as cold over there. I don't know why. Man, talk about some cold ale, boys and girls, and anybody in between. So I do gotta ask you, so if you ain't seen, I put a little poll up, would y'all want to see a two-wheel drive Rancher go to Busco? Like, we'll take this too, because we do multiple videos, but would it be something you're interested in? Because if nobody's gonna watch a video, I'm not gonna take a two-wheel drive Rancher to Busco. I mean, yes, we will snorkel it, so I mean, it's really up to y'all. Do y'all wanna see that? Do you not wanna see that? It's all really up to y'all. And about the Brute, I still ain't found nothing out about that. I was hoping to have some idea, but I still can't get powered anywhere. And I'm almost to the point I'm gonna quit spending the money on it. I have 2 more parts I'm gonna order for it, and if they don't fix it, we're gonna have to stop with the Brute. Because I can't throw a lot of money because it's really not worth that much. And I would like to play with it, but at the same time, you can't just throw money at something that's not gonna be worth anything. Because the whole point of buying these is to buy, sell, repeat. Okay, let's send again. Safe spot. Oh shoot! I fell in the hole. Okay, that's enough of that hole. Whoa, I lost it. We haven't been in this hole for a while. Let's try it out. I've kind of been a little scared of this hole because last time we went in it, we about didn't come out. So it is a little iffy now because, like I said, last time it was close. We about didn't come out, and I'm afraid to death it's gonna choke off. because the can, you know, I go down. I'm like, oh no, it's gonna cut off. Let me make sure my camera's good before I do anything. But yeah, guys, we are going to Busco in the next couple weeks, and hopefully the 6x6 is done by then. Right now, we are turning it into a Polaris front end, so we have diff lock and a selectable four-wheel drive. But it takes forever for eBay to send parts. I think we've been waiting 2.5 weeks and finally got all the parts in, all but the button, which I don't know what happened to it. It just disappeared finally. It said it's gonna be here Tuesday, so hopefully it will be here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how deep this has gotten. Yes, it's gotten deeper. It's just unforgivable. Unforgivable. I don't remember the saying. I thought that was a snake swimming around, but it's just a stick. A really weird looking stick. Well, we didn't break the axle. Why is it it's hard to break an axle when you want to, but when you don't want nothing to happen, the axle snap like toothpicks? Okay, I hear you. Wow, we bottomed right out there. I wish I could find some old Super ATV arms. I keep hearing people say those companies that build them, but I have not found them yet. Because I really want some arms for this thing. That way I have more ground clearance. I'm also thinking about getting rid of these bad boys. There's nothing wrong with them. I'm just not the biggest fan of them, guys. I don't know. They're good tiles. I'm not talking crap. I just want to try something different. But yeah, hopefully the 6x6 will be done soon. I'm still thinking that the front Polaris diff is going to fix all our problems. At least that's what I think. Am I wrong? Possibility. I am wrong about a lot of things. Okay, hey, let's see if we can skim that hole over there. This time, let's go four-wheel drive on. Oh my gosh, my head. Like the waddle on my head is like, when I go really fast, I get a headache. It is just that cold. Let's do low. The vine tried to take my GoPro off of me. So I do got a question for everybody. What's everybody's opinion on the new brute force? The new design, because the same engine. I think that's my biggest complaint about it, was I was hoping they'd at least give it more horsepower, because yes, 50 is a lot of horsepower. It's not a slack, but for a 750 class, it's just kind of weak. I know a lot of people say the new Can-Am, but the Can-Am's a single. I think Can-Am was kind of going for reliability, and a lot of people were complaining about, hey, my Can-Am brakes, and then they make something more reliable, and now people are complaining again. You just can't make some people happy, I guess. What is y'all's opinion? I like the design, I do. Me personally, I would, oh crap, I would buy one, maybe, if I could find it cheaper, because I'm not paying what they're asking for it. $12,000, no thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am filthy. Man, I'm wet and cold and soaked, and the Can-Am's wet, but that was so much fun. I just really wanted to full send it. I was hoping to go to Old Gun Net Road and do that today, but with that axle broke and being by myself, I really just was a little skittish, so I went ahead and ordered the axle. I got the stuff for the 6x6 in the truck, all but the button, but I don't need the button. It's gonna take a couple days just to weld everything up. But we're putting a Polaris front diff. I think the clutch pack is in the front diff. I don't remember what it's, a helix or something is what is. I don't know how to explain it, but even though the ratio is the same as the Honda front diff, the little helix or whatever is what's fixing the problem with that we're having, I think, because you can feel it having an issue even before it breaks. So I think that's what problem we have. So hopefully we'll get that fixed this week. And anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just really wanted the full send because I've been working on four-wheelers from 6 this morning all the way till 2, 3 o'clock whenever I left the shop. And I just needed something to get out and have fun. So if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Well, hopefully we'll have the Rancher out, unless my JD well didn't work. But I did find a case on what is it, eBay for $100, and that's both sides. So I'll probably just buy the whole case if it doesn't work. Anyways, guys, I will see y'all on the next one.